Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I thought I'd do kind of like a mini little tutorial on how I do my cat eye. Lately whenever I film I kind of like skip the whole eyeliner, mascara, lashes step because we all kind of like, I don't know, we all do mascara and we all know how to put mascara on. I just skip over it. But I have had a few different requests to like do like a little tutorial on cat eyeliner. So I thought I would just give it a try. Alright, so if you guys want to see how I personally get my cat eye, just keep watching. Okay, so I'm going to be using the NYX Matte Liquid Liner right here. I really just enjoy this one. I feel like this is a really good one that I found lately, and I like that it's not like a felt tip. Those ones kind of drive me nuts with like having enough of the product come off of it, whereas this is just kind of like a little brush that you just re-dip. So, alright, I'm going to try really hard to do this on camera. Okay, so one thing that has really helped me with doing my cat eyes, which it might not help you, I don't know, it helps me, is just to kind of like look at like my lower lash line right here and to kind of just like imagine a line extending out from what that already is, if that makes any sense at all. So I'll try to do this. It's really hard for me to like teach you guys how to do this because it's honestly just been a bunch of trial and error for me. Alright, so I'll start like right kind of at the corner right here. So like right there, and I'll like just extend that line and kind of like go towards where the end of the tail of my brow is. So I tend to, like, I kind of try to do little flick marks. I don't really do like the whole, sorry about those dogs, I don't know if you can hear that. But I don't do like one continuous line out because I tend to kind of like mess it up if I do that. So I just do like little flicks. Alright, so then what you just saw me do is where like I'll kind of tend to like place the brush down where I want the end to be and then work backwards. And that kind of just helps me figure out where I want the top of the wing to be. And then from there, I just kind of do like one of these. So like kind of like that. So I'll kind of like gently close my eye just a little bit just to kind of like find like where I want that to continue onto the lid. And then I'll just kind of like straighten up the edges here. And then because I do have a hooded eye, that's why I kind of leave my eye open when I get to like this point. When I do kind of figure out where I want that line to be on the lid, that's when I'll close my eye and just kind of like fix this line here, I guess. So kind of like that. And then at this point, that's when I kind of color in the whole wing. And you can do this, like you can make this however long that you want it. You don't need to have like this super aggressive wing. The same technique will work if you're wanting like a little wing, just to start at the corner and kind of just extend out where like the lower lash line would be if it continued upward. And then you can just kind of stop it wherever you want to stop it. Alright, and then at this point, that is when I kind of tend to just continue it onto my lid here. And again, you can make the liner on your lid as thick or as thin as you want it to be. It's all kind of like a preference thing. Alright, and you just kind of like fix wherever, like whatever lines, and that's kind of like what I personally usually end up with. So yeah, I'll go ahead and do the other eye, and I'm gonna not really instruct during that one, and you can just kind of watch me do that one too. Like I said, just extend out from the lower lash line and go up as far as you want towards kind of like the end, like the tail end of your brow here, and then just kind of like swoop it backwards. And with the other eye, you're going to want to keep taking breaks in between to just kind of check with the other side to just make sure that they're both equal. Because obviously if you go to town on this one and you're not looking at this one, you might have one that's higher or lower or smaller or whatever, and it's not going to be equal. Like, of course I'm doing this video when I'm like running out of my flipping liquid liner. And then when I'm like kind of trying to make sure that they, you know, I'm still trying to like check both of them, I'll kind of like do this and look at myself in the mirror and kind of just like squint to kind of just see where these lines are going so that I can really kind of make them match each other. And it does kind of take me a little bit to do my eyeliner, guys. So it's not like, you know, you're gonna get it immediately, first thing, get, you know, a perfect wing. Like, I take forever to do my wing. All right, and because I just made that left eye a bit thicker than the right one, I'm gonna go back and fix the other one. It happens, guys. It happens to the best of us. Alright, so they are as dramatic as I want them to be. Alright, now I'm going to go throw on my Maybelline Mega Plush Mascara and my Salon Perfect 614 lashes, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so this is the finished look that I'm going for today. My hair is a mess and I'm still wearing a sleep shirt, so don't judge me. But I wanted to just quickly do like a little video. I've had a few requests for like a cat eye tutorial type of thing, so I wasn't totally sure how I was gonna do it, but I figured like a little mini step through how I do my own might help some people. Obviously you don't always have to do it the way that I say. You can do it whatever way you want to do it, but I'm assuming since you're watching this video right now, you probably wanted to know how I do my cat eye. So yeah. Obviously, like I said, you don't have to be as aggressive and, you know, have these giant wings. I just am dramatic and I prefer that. Alright, so if this even helped one person, hopefully, you know, that's a great thing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to hit the like button down below and to subscribe to my channel if you have not already. The liquid liner, my mascara, all of that type of stuff, what I used is listed down below in the description box, as well as my social and all of that type of good stuff. Alright, I hope you all have a great day and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!